Wanted to show the baby chickies that we left inside. All huddled up. They look so small. It looks like there's not that many because the ducks aren't out here anymore. Look at the one I still think's a rooster. Look at the one who's got his little crown growing out already. Is that what it's called, a crown? I don't even know. He's tilting his head at me. The two white bantams, I think, are going to be those ugly birds with the poofy feathers on top of their head. Because their feathers are already grown in weird. They'll be all poofy and ugly. Damn it. Yeah. So cute. Oh, go to Tractor Supply today. These are all $1 a piece. They're doing their dollar buckets right now. I got 6. I carry them around the yard and stuff from different places because I need them. But now I can just leave some out in the greenhouse and leave some up here. I have none up here right now, and I need one. Yeah, babies are doing good. Nice and warm. Little stinky birds.